cold and frosty, some sunshine around, but equally some snow showers getting going into the east of Scotland. Across northern England, some light snow through the overnight period into the morning and a risk of ice here through the morning. Largely dry for the southeastern corner, but snow is on the way, and a cold start, windy too. Temperatures are well below freezing. Here is the snow across those southern counties of England, through the Somerset area into Devon. Down in Cornwall, I think any snow will turn back to rain fairly readily through the morning, but up across Wales, well, the south of Wales in particular, that's where the red warning is focused. Not just some heavy snowfall, but some really strong winds as well. Up into Northern Ireland, well, the snow will be setting in here through the morning, so really quite nasty conditions across large parts of the United Kingdom. That snow is on the move, albeit slowly, pushing its way ever northwards and eastwards, and it's accompanied by some really strong winds. So we are talking about blizzard conditions up over the hills, really poor visibility, and that snow will be drifting about in those strong winds as well as it just drifts its way up into northern England for the afternoon, particularly the northeast. And needless to say, it will be a cold day. Most places struggling to get much up above freezing, 0, -1, that sort of order. How much snow are we going to see? Well, in this yellow area, it's 2 to 5 centimetres, enough to cause some disruption, 10 to 15 in this amber area, and as much as 20 to 30 centimetres in the red area for the south of Wales. So widespread disruption, more than likely, and it continues to snow on into the evening. The snow becomes a little bit lighter. Maybe we'll just pull away from some of these southern counties of England and South Wales, just drifting its way a little bit further north, up into northern England, Northern Ireland, and across Scotland. And as temperatures dip to freezing or below once again by Saturday morning, well, we are looking at some widespread ice. So a slippery start to the weekend, and still some further snow. Snow showers more like on Saturday, and the emphasis does shift towards the north and the east. Some travel disruption certainly still possible, and another cold day. Doesn't improve too much on Sunday, although the snow is becoming that bit lighter all the while through the weekend. But it's many eastern counties of Scotland and England will continue to see some snow flurries on Sunday, a bit drier out towards the west.
We've got, I would say, probably something like an inch and a half that's already settled. And as you say, we're expecting a lot more snow later on. This, of course, was very well forecast, very well signposted. Authorities right across the UK have had their diggers out for several days now, but certainly last night was a real push in very many parts of the UK. We're expecting to get pretty heavy snow here in the West Country, in the southwest too, also into South Wales, getting up into mid-Wales, some of the higher ground there. But for many parts of the UK, they've had certainly lying snow now for several days. We were in Lincolnshire, if you remember, a couple of days ago. Very cold temperatures there, -8 and -13 in Norfolk as well on that day, on Wednesday. And snow there everywhere. Snow across Yorkshire, other parts of the UK really have had pretty wintry weather. But in terms of these sort of blizzard conditions, we're expecting it to hit really quite hard today. Quite quiet out and about, as you can imagine, this morning. But obviously as people start to hit the morning rush hour, it's going to get much busier. Just looking down onto the M5, I can see already people are starting to drive very cautiously, starting to heed the warnings. They're sticking to lane 1 and lane 2, the inside lane and the middle lane. Already, the outside lane is starting to get snowed over. I think that gives you an indication that people really have heeded the warnings this morning.
John, thank you very much for that. Do keep us in touch as well on what's going on.
This is one massive snowfall, guys.